So now Maulvi Rizwan Rastu is worried about the image I am presenting to non-Muslims of Islam. The classic, the same tactic they have been using to emotionally blackmail me. First of all, when non-Muslims used to care about me, I also cared a lot about image of Islam. But since they don't care about Islam, they don't give a damn about Islam. They only care about who is good at work and only about office politics or things like that. So, I stopped caring about, I don't see people from any religion and judge the whole religion based on them. I don't judge Christianity based on how non-Muslims behave with me, or Hinduism based on how Hindus behave with me. So I don't really care about this anymore. And second of all, if you want to, you did not even in spite of studying from Princeton, you did not even choose to work with non-Muslims because they are not good enough, because they are so corrupt people, you don't want to deal with them. So that's your, don't use non-Muslims to emotionally blackmail me. I know what you think about non-Muslims and how much do you care about non-Muslims. You are like, oh my God, they are so corrupt. If I work with them, I will become corrupt like them. So I will just go in the Islamic field. That's what you did. If you care so much about Islam's image to the non-Muslims, why don't you go work 40-hour week with the non-Muslims, and you can present. If you think you are better at presenting Islam, you can present. You are more than welcome to present Islam's image to them. ठीक है? And all the Muslim women in this community, they either get married after getting married, or they after graduation they either get married, or they only work in their own family's businesses. So if they care so much about Islam's image to non-Muslims, they can improve the image. This is just a tactic so that I will stop working there and I will go work in one of these communities, businesses, and so they can torture me every day. This is a tactic and this is not going to work on me. I don't care about Islam's image. मैंने Islam का ठेका नहीं उठाया हुआ. You all have done more to damage Islam's image than what I have done. Okay, I am very sure about that. And the second thing is that maybe if you care so much about Islam's image to the non-Muslim, you should look at the content of your lectures. I will to the non-Muslims that you are so sympathetic to, I will tell them the event, the thing that you said in your lecture, which even me, a born Muslim, even me, I have been listening to Islamic lectures my whole life. It traumatized me. He gave this account that when Prophet was in Medina, there was a guy who was causing corruption, who was causing problems between the Muslims. So his own son said to the Prophet that, this guy, my father, is causing problems but I am loyal to you, so allow me to kill my own father. Because if anyone else does it, then I won't be able to take it. I will have revenge. I will always have revenge, and I will kill that person to take revenge from my father. So it's better if I kill it. So now Prophet, he said that no family members should kill their family. No people should kill their family members. So Prophet did such a great thing. He was presenting it as a very noble thing. So think about what kind of image they will have of Muslims, that they are so barbaric, they can kill their own father to prove their loyalty to Prophet, and then they are so filled with revenge that if someone else kill their family members, instead of going to the proper law, they will take revenge, and they themselves will take law in their own hands, and they will kill the other person. So think about it, what kind of image you are presenting to the non-Muslims through your lectures. If you care so much about non-Muslims, Yeah, I work with non-Muslims. If they have a problem with me, they can let me go. They can lay me off. So, I don't understand why everywhere I work, why do my Muslim community becomes the spokesperson for my co-workers and for all the non-Muslims I interact with. They are so psycho that at one place where I worked, they hired, our contracts were ending, so they hired, my co-workers from my job so that they can get information from them about me. This is the kind of, this only makes you look like narcissistic, pathetic, narcissist, controlling people. This is the image that you are presenting to non-Muslims. So don't worry about what image I am presenting to non-Muslims. So now, my conscience is very clear. I have presented very good image. And as long as the non-Muslims cared about me, I also cared a lot about Islam's image to them. When they stopped giving me basic respect, basic decency that a human requires, then I stopped caring about Islam, about presenting Islam's image to them. Islam doesn't need people like that. If they don't like Islam because of me, fine, good. Islam already has many corrupt people, except, for example, this community. Islam doesn't need any more corrupt people. So yeah, if I'm presenting bad image of Islam, I don't care about it. I only interact with non-Muslims who earn my living. I am not a spokesperson for Islam. They can get Islam's image from someone else.